Hey guys, this is graphic design based on request. So I dropped my last video and one of my followers comments on that post saying, "Sir, how can I crop pictures using Photoshop?" So today I'll be showing you how to crop pictures using Photoshop. I'm going to show you the simple trick, the shortest trick on how to crop pictures using Photoshop. I want to show you how to do that. Very easy, very quick. Thank you. Follow, like and comment. Let's go. So I import random pictures from the internet, and then I go to my right click on my quick selection tool and choose my quick selection tool. Then I drag it on top of the subject. Once I do that, then I go to the top and I click select subject. Once you click select subject, something will pop out. This will discard your current selection. Then you click OK. Once you click OK, it will start counting. Okay, I think now it's okay. Now you see that it has highlighted. Then what you do, you will Ctrl J, click Ctrl J to duplicate. Once you duplicate, you just delete the previous one. Can you see? You can move the one. Can you see? You just crop it, you just remove the background. And if you want to make it more cool, more enticing, just go to your rectangle tool, create a rectangle tool and make it a background. Okay, just make it a background. You understand? You can change the color of the background. It's as simple as this. Very simple. Now you can see I'm changing the background, giving it blue, red and other colors, green. So once you crop, you click your quick selection tool, you drag on the subject, then you select subject and click OK. It will automatically crop the pictures for you. These are just simple steps, simple trick on how to do that. I hope you love it.